Welcome to Daily Devo. I'm Pat. Today we're going to talk about motivation. All of us have a person, teacher, coach, or speaker who has or is having a huge impact in our lives. It's those people who motivate and inspire you to dream more, to be more, to do more, to say more. What I find interesting is that God actually calls every one of us to be this kind of person for someone else. In Hebrews chapter 10, verse 24, the writer says this: "Let us think of ways to motivate one another to acts of love and good works." Now, there's actually two fascinating but often missed ideas found in this simple verse. First off, notice how it says, "Let us think of ways," meaning this is just not a passive, aimless call. It's not saying, hey, if an opportunity to encourage and motivate someone just happens to pop up every once in a while, then maybe do it. No, those first few words, "let us think of ways," make this far more intentional than passively waiting for something to maybe just happen. In fact, some translations read, "consider ways." Remember, it was originally written in a different language, and that word is actually difficult to bring over to English. And to grasp the depth of it, we almost need a whole entire sentence. And so it may be better said this way: look for ways, think of ways, focus on ways, study ways. Let your mind be occupied exploring ways to motivate one another to acts of love and good works. No doubt this is a call to be focused and intentional in doing this. In doing what? Well, that's the second interesting thing to notice in this verse, and I love this one. Notice it is not just saying to love one another. We hear all the time, love each other. But this is taking it even further and imploring you and I to actively seek out opportunities to not just love others, but to motivate others to love others. Let me say that again, because you may have missed that important nuance. This verse is imploring you and I to actively seek out opportunities to not just love others, but to motivate others to love others. You and I are told that today part of our call is not just to seek out opportunities to love others and do good deeds, but to actively, purposely, and intentionally seek out opportunities to motivate others to love others and for them to do good deeds. Wow! How amazing would it be if today you and I, because we actively and intentionally found an opportunity to motivate someone, were considered as a person who helped someone else dream more, be more, do more, or say more.